Just going to give you a quick demonstration of how all of this cracking here, if you want to retain the sort of aged look to your leather items, there is a very simple solution that you can do that we supply. You can just wipe into the seats and it gives you a fantastic finish. You just want to get some onto the sponge like so. Get the majority of it off the sponge, just wipe it off, and then just wipe into the seat like this. Just simply wipe it in. And that is going to colour the seat as you go. It is completely self-sealing and it's going to give you a fantastic finish on your leather item. Now this can be done, it doesn't have to be car seats. This particular seat is from a plane, but it can be on anything. Jackets, clothing, handbags, couches, can be literally on anything. You just simply wipe it in. You don't want to leave streaks on there or anything like that, but it's just a simple wiping process and allow to dry. And as you can see, that just looks fantastic. If we give it a quick dry, you'll see what that's like. So just excuse the noise for a second. And it dries as quick as that and looks absolutely fantastic. I mean, all the cracking is gone and the leather just looks absolutely brilliant. And it's as soft, as supple as anything. It's beautiful, it's soft, it's silky. That is exactly what you need to revive your interior or your couch, leather jacket, handbag, or whatever it is you're reviving. This is a very quick, easy way to do it. So first of all, what we would have done is just to very gently wipe that over with an alcohol cleaner and then simply apply the product. It's as quick and it's as easy as that. leatherrepaircompany.com